Alright, so I'm prepping this new motor here to get it ready for my Civic Si k20 Z3. What I'm doing right now is I'm taking off the exhaust, but it's hooked onto this bar here and right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm already going to lift it off the crate, and let's go ahead and lift it up. I'm going to lift it up, remove the flywheel, remove the exhaust manifold, probably take off the intake manifold. Oh, the whole crate's coming up with it. Nice. I'm gonna go ahead and rock it back and forth. There it is, the crate is out. I'm gonna go ahead and lift this up. Have a little bit more access to that down there. Oh gosh, I have parts everywhere. I'm gonna trip. I have this fan on me because we live out in the country, and oh man, is there bugs around here. Alright, we're almost getting there. Alright, and there's that bracket. Well, now I'm holding it on to there, so might as well take off the flywheel and the clutch and just mount it onto the stand. Damn, fucking parts. I did this in the wrong spot, bro. I'm actually going to bring this back down just so I could balance out the motor on the chain and it doesn't go anywhere, so I could have it nice and straight. Go ahead and balance it out real quick. Alright, there she is, nice and centered. Let's go ahead and just bring her up. Alright, I found the 10mm 12 point to remove the pressure plate on the flywheel, but I cannot freaking find the one to remove the flywheel. It's alright, let's just go ahead and remove this, mount that onto the hoist, and we'll get this off later. Just grab all these out. We'll actually keep these. Well, no, these are just into the flywheel. Okay, comes our pressure plate. Ooh. Come on, I'm gonna need both hands real quick. Here's the flywheel. I'm sorry, the pressure plate and the clutch. RBC. I thought it was XV. I guess not. Alright, I found it. 17, 12 point. Let's go ahead and save those. Alright, here comes the flywheel. There it is. Set this to the side. Man. It's a little bit of oil right there. This would be the perfect time to replace this seal. I just wonder how you get that sucker out. I guess you just pinch it out and just a new one. Thank you. Who's eating like this and hasn't died yet? From our trees. Okay. That's done. Let's get this out of here. Oh. We need to save these. Let's go ahead and get the crane pulley off, or the harmonic balancer off. Got this fat boy right here, 19mm. This one breaks them off all the time. These are so stubborn to get off too. I was saying, it's hard as fuck. Might have to mount that first before I try to break that loose. Starting to give. The compressor just filled up. Yeah. Here it is. Let's go ahead and take this off. Front seal actually looks pretty good still. No oil leaking around it. Nope. Just the oil from the inside. Looks good. Might not even have to do this, but I already have the seal. I might as well replace it. Now, what concerned me the other day when I took this bolt off, coolant started dripping out. And if you notice, this is the bolt I'm talking about. It's sealed on the other side. This one has a little bit of a crack. But I did notice that it also has RBT silicone, or I'm sorry, on the bond inside. You see that? So I might have to do the same thing with this one. Put some Honda bond. So I guess tomorrow I'm buying the rear main seal. And let's go ahead and mount this on now. Sweet, now I have 2 harmonic balancers. Alright, I'm trying to line up the motor so I could go ahead and slap it in. Alright, there she is on the stand. Let's go ahead and loose it up little by little. There it is. Sweet. Let's go ahead and get that chain off. Alright, there's the chain. Let's go ahead and push this back. Here's my new passenger motor mount. Let's go ahead and remove this exhaust manifold now. Stock header, stock exhaust gasket. We need a new valve cover gasket for sure. I already have one. Perfect. Hope it's not from the heads. It's not leaking from the front. Come on, pin. Oh gosh. Let's rotate her. I really hope that's from the freaking valve cover, man. Whoa. Slowly, girl, slowly. Hopefully this is just from the water pump here. Well, I guess this is pretty much as far as we're gonna get for now. It's starting to get dark now. Next thing I want to do is take off the intake manifold off. This one is different. Oh no, it's not. That's how it goes, yes. I was tripping for a second. Fuck, bro. I'm not too sure if it's from the valve cover. Hopefully it's not from the heads. Hopefully it's from down here, wherever it's coming from. And with the fans and everything, it's just blowing it everywhere. Take a look at down here. But it's not leaking oil from there. It doesn't look like it. It looks like fresh oil, like it was just sitting in it. I don't think it's from here. Hopefully it's not. But yeah, that's pretty much where we're probably gonna stop for now. It's starting to get dark out already. And we'll continue tomorrow. But for now, sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.